Welcome back my YouTube channel. Love your enemies to eat yakinong shun jongpi. 20 daily use sentences. Lada piyo jing mantoy na ganega video. Wanam glad ban share lam shake turlak lane hayang sam jongpi. Wanam glad ro ban like, share and subscribe. Ya ganega channel. Alang ini bit ya ganega jing hikai. When you lose today, now that tomorrow is better than today. Kasi haba pido mene tatib ba kaba lashay kakambha ban ya kaba menta kasni. When you don't get what you want, kasi haba pimyo ya ka ay kaba pikwa. That's God protection. Kasi kadai kajing yada jong ublay. Don't lose hope. There is a time for everything. Kasi what do gentlemen kadon kabor ya ka ay baro. When you have something, kasi haba pidon ay. Be thankful for what you have. Kasi tos ngo ya ka ay kaba pidon. Why do you look so sad? Kasi balay pile sngaw si ba. I regret for what I did. Kasi nga sngaw ba be ya ka ay kaba ngale. Every people makes a mistake. Kasi manla ubriu udon lagi jeng bakla. Don't stress yourself. Kasi what penchitam than yalade. Learn from the mistake. Kasi nang nagito kijing bakla. If you lost hope today, kasi lada pido jengkermen menta kesni. Know that God is with you. Kasi totib ba ublay udan rengkat batpi. I love those who love me. Kasi ngai tang yakito hibai jangan. I hate those who hate me. Kasi nga isi yakito kiba isi yang. But God said, love your enemies. Kasi andrei ublay uong to i yakinong shun jongpi. Bless those who curse you. Kasi ban to kurku yakiba tim yapi.